Good afternoon, students. So, students of class 4, are you ready? This is your English class. Okay. So, students of class 4, at first, before I start, I want to say sorry to all. Okay. I want to say sorry because due to technical problems, okay, we couldn't complete the class. In 4 far and 4 pine, both the classes were disturbed, and I, not only I, actually due to net problem, due to technical problems, actually the whole BMS, okay, couldn't take the first two classes, and first two, then second, third, some classes. Today we were facing so much problems, that's why we couldn't continue our classes. So I am very sorry from on behalf of BMS. Okay, students, so please convey my message to your friends of 5 far and 4 far and pine. Okay, students, can you hear me? Yes, good afternoon. Okay, Debushmi. Okay, very nice. So students, please tell them that I very sorry that I couldn't take those classes 4 far and pine. Not only me, all the teachers. Okay, and I am feeling very sorry. So students, today we will do a new chapter. Who can tell me which chapter we will do from English grammar? Tell me. Tell me, in the last English grammar class, which chapter we did? Who can tell me first? Voice is not clear. Okay, so students, today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 20, that is simple present tense. Okay, simple present tense. So get ready. The first simple present tense, already I told. When do we use simple present tense? When we are referring an action that is occurring right now, that is happening right now, that is happening in the present time, then we use simple present tense. Joey, can you see the board? Can you see the board? Can you see? Okay. Now, the first one, we start from number C. Number C, students, if you cannot hear me or see me, then disconnect and rejoin. Disconnect and rejoin. And now, start. Number C, speak out the following sentences changing I to he or she for oral practice. Though it is for oral practice, still we will write. Okay. And so what we will do here, we will replace I with he or she. And you know, for simple present tense, if it is third person singular number and present form of verb, then we add s or es to the main verb. Okay. Third person, you know, he, she. First person is I, we. Second person, you, your. And except these, I, we, you, your, all the word, all are third person. He, she, they, Ram, Sham, whatever. Okay. So, number C. Can you see? No. C, number 1. I like comics. Students, here we can use he or she. So, I prefer once we will use he, and in the next time we will use she. Okay. The first one, I like comics. Yes, tell me. Video is paused. Is it? What is happening? Oh. Which chapter? This is chapter 20. Chapter 20. Page number 58. Okay. Now write the first one, I like comics. So we will write he, and he third person singular number and present tense, that's why we will write he likes. He likes. Students, I am not completing the sentence, please you do. He likes comics. Number 2, you please complete the sentence. I am not writing because in the board I have to write lot of sentences, that's why. T-E-N-S-E. Who wrote? Debushmi? T-E-N-S-E. Can you see the board? Yes. Now, number 2, I enjoy, right? She enjoys. Please complete the sentence. Number 3, I go to, right? He goes. Number 4, I work. So write she works. Number 5, he reads. Number 6, I go, she goes. Number 7, he eats. Number 8, she waters. Number 9, I play, right? He plays. Number 10, I revise. So you will write she revises. So yes, very good. So students, please complete the sentence, okay? Now number D. Number D. Debushmi, very good. Debushmi, you already wrote all the answers, Yes. So now the next, number D. Speak out these sentences changing the underlined nouns from singular to plural. This is also for oral practice, but still we will write, okay? D1, the child tries. Child, we will make it children, we will make it plural, and then some changes will be happening in using verb, okay? The child, so we will write the children and then try. Why try? Because children plural number, that's why we will not add s or es. Children try. The children try. Please you write the full sentence. Number 1. Number 2, the babies, tell me, babies cry. Number 3, the train crosses. So the trains, okay, cross. Number 4, the students study. Number 5, the men go. Number 6, the girls dress. Number 7, the birds, yes, the birds, yes, tell me. Aniruddha. Now we are doing number D. Debushmi, fly, yes, right, fly, the birds fly. Who wrote go? Aniruddha, you wrote goes. No, it is go, okay. Why? Because men plural number, that's why. Number 8, the cats catch. Next number, number E. Number E. Speak out these sentences changing the underlined nouns from plural to singular. Now, we will change the plural to singular. The first one, the buses follow. The bus and follows. S will be added. Number 2, the omen. The omen prepares. Prepares. Number 3, the washerman. The washerman washes. Isn't it? W-S-H? Yes. Number 4, the aeroplane. The aeroplane flies. Number 5, the lady dresses. Number 6, the porter carries. Number 7, the swimmer tries. Okay. Any problem, students? Yes. Ma'am, your voice video is paused. Why? What is happening? Now it is okay. Internet connection off. Again. Now, students, can I rub number C? Ma'am, please check out internet connection. Okay. We have to write. Yes, yes, Joey. And this class will be uploaded. So you will get this class from YouTube also. Now also my video is paused. Adrija, please tell me, now also video is paused. Now number F. Number F. Adrija, please tell me, now also video is paused. Someone is singing, please stop singing. Now number F. Answer the following questions in complete sentences for oral practice, though we will write. For example, who mends our shoes? The answer is a cobbler mends our shoes. So, we will start from number 1. Who brings our letters? A postman brings our letters. A postman brings our letters. Number 2, who treats the patient? A doctor treats the patient. Number 3, who looks after the patients? A nurse after the patient. Number 4, who makes our furniture? A carpenter makes our furnitures. Okay. Number 5, who rings the school bell? A peon rings the school bell. Number 6. Students, don't talk among yourselves. Don't. That is disturbing others. Number 6. Who gives us tickets? A bus conductor. Bus conductor gives us tickets in the bus. Number 7. Who stitches our clothes? A tailor. Stitches our clothes. Okay. A tailor, yes. Students, mute your microphone. Okay. Now, I am going to rub number D. Number D. I am going to rub. Now, number G. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs in the simple present tense. So, in the bracket, a simple present tense is given. We will write it in the proper form. Number 1. I always dash my help. I, first person, so as it is. I help. Number 2. She, third person singular number. She likes. Number 3. He works. He works. Number 4. You eat. Number 5. She. Number 5. They. They plural number, third person. They need. Number 6. We leave. We plural number. Number 7. She leaves. Number 8. Pandas plural number, so eat. Number 9. The panda singular number, so eats, eats. Number 10. That big house singular number, third person, belongs. Yes. Debushmi is always first. Ma'am, all the answers are correct. Debushmi, don't send answer in this way. Okay, just do with me. Help, likes, works, eat, need, live, lives, eat, eats, belongs. Yes, correct. Now, I am going to rub number E. Number E. So, number G done. Number H, negative sentence. Okay, this time we will learn negative sentence. How to write a negative sentence? Do verb we will write do not. We will make it do not. Okay. So, for example, I play cricket. So, we will write I do not play cricket. He plays cricket. Plays, S is added with the verb. So, when we will make it negative, we will write he does not play cricket. Okay, in this way. So, we will practice that. That is number I. Number I. Convert the following into negative sentences. This is also for oral practice, but we will write. Number 1. This book belongs to me. So we will write, this book does not. Why does not? Because belongs, yes. So this book does not belong to me, does not belong to me. Number 2, they obey the orders. They, plural number, that's why they do not obey the orders. Number 3, they cross the road carefully. They do not cross the road carefully. Number 4, she goes to bed late. She does not go to bed late. Number 5, she makes mistake. She does not make mistakes. So I am going to rub camera. Camera is okay now, student? Yes, that is okay. So I am going to rub this portion. Number 6, we eat bread. We do not eat bread. Number 7, I know his address. I do not know his address. Number 8, he talks carefully. He does not talk carefully. Okay? So now we will move to page number 61. Page number 61, now it is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence means asking questions. As we do not, yes. So interrogative sentence, as we always ask, what is your name, where do you live? These all are interrogative sentence. And how do you know that it is an interrogative sentence? Because it starts at the end of the sentence there is a question mark. Here it is for example is given here, number K, they live near the school, and we will make it interrogative in this way. Do they live? It rains. Rains, S is added. So we will make it a question interrogative. Does it rain? In this way. Number K, Anand flies a kite. Does Anand fly a, do not talk, who is talking continuously, who is talking at home? Wait, students. Okay. Number 2, Shikhar hits the ball very hard. Why do not? We are not making any negative sentence. Now we are making interrogative. Okay. So, Shikhar hits, S is added. So, does Shikhar hit the ball very hard? Question mark. Number 3, the sun shines brightly. Does the sun shine brightly? Okay. Now, the next one, number 4. My parents live in Kanpur. Do my parents live in Kanpur? Question mark. Number 5. Parents love their children. Do parents love their children? Ma'am, my internet connection is very rough. Rough means we have completed. Yes. So Adrija, now it will be very easy for you, isn't it? You all students, interrogative sentence now will be very easy for you all, isn't it? Yes, I know. Okay. Now, number 6. Number 6, Assam produces tea. Produces, Assam, singular number, 3rd person. Does Assam produce Number 7, the boys play cricket on Sundays. Do the boys play cricket on Sundays? Does Anand fly a kite? Does Shikhar hit the ball very hard? Does the sun shine brightly? Do my parents live in Kanpur? Do parents love their children? Does Assam produce tea? Do the boys play cricket on Sundays? And now number 8. Children love cartoon movies. Do children, why do? Because children plural number. Do children love cartoon movies? Do children love cartoon movies? Okay. So, number K already completed. Can I have students? Hope this portion is already completed. Yes? Tell me. Yes? Complete. Okay. Ma'am, I have also completed before PT1. Okay. So, the next one is left number L. Write questions to which the following may be suitable answers. Begin your question with the question words given in the brackets for oral practice. It is also for oral practice, but we will write, isn't it? We are fond of writing, and writing helps us to learn properly and easily. So, Here we will make interrogative sentence, but in another way. Here the question, okay, would be the maybe the suitable answer for that. The first one, this flight takes off at 7:15 a.m. So we will ask question with when. Yes? Yes. When does this flight, when does this flight take off? Number 2, they serve snacks during the flight. What do they serve? Yes, yes, very good. Tell me your name. Yes, what do they serve during the flight? Your voice is very low, you know. What do they serve during the flight? Next. Number 3. Shalini sits in the front because her eyes are weak. Why? Yes, why does Shalini sit in the front? Why does Shalini sit in the front? Next, number 4. These children go to school by school bus. Yes. How do these children, go to school? Number 5. Bibhu lives at Anand Vihar. Yes, yes, yes. Where does? Very good. Where does Bibhu live? Question mark. Now I am going to rub this part also. Wait, let me write, then tell me the answer. Next, number 6. Miss Ghosh takes care of the sound system. Who? You can write who takes care of the sound system. Listen. You can write who takes care. Who takes care, you can write also. Or who does take care, you can write directly who takes care of the sound system. Who takes care of the sound system? Number 7. 10 students will be appearing for the Maths Olympiad. Tell me, how many? How many students will be appearing? Will be appearing for the Math Olympiad? How many students will be appearing for the Maths Olympiad? Okay, so students, this chapter is also completed, and today we wrote lot of things, isn't it, students? Today we have completed the whole chapter, and today we wrote so many answers, isn't it? Okay, and I know you all are so good. That's why today I completed the chapter, and today I wrote all the answers, and you also were okay. So students, bye. Okay, till then stay well. Bye students. Bye bye. Bye bye students.